Okay, a little quick tutorial on lighting the 200A Coleman Lantern. First thing I like to show is that when I light these, I always take the ventilator and the globe off so I have access to stuff and won't have to worry about having soot get on those things after the initial light. When I store it, I leave the pricker in the upright position. When it's time to light, I put it down. Turn this counterclockwise to open it up. Get about 20 plus pumps on there. I've already put a few pumps on there. Close it in, turn it clockwise to lock it off. At this point, I have my main valve off. I'm going to go ahead and preheat the generator. That's what's going to turn the liquid into vapor, so I kind of get that generator a little bit warm there. And then when I open this up, it's going to be a lot friendlier. And there it goes. Nice and bright. At this point, we can open it up all the way, give it a few courtesy pumps here, close it off, and then we're safe to go ahead and put the globe back on, drop the ventilator in place, and we can go ahead and put the bail on, and finally the ventilator nut. Of course, it's nice and cool now, but that whole area is going to get really hot once this thing gets going. But there it is, nice little quick tutorial on lighting the 200A. Good full tank will give you hours and hours of use. Safe to use inside. Make sure you do have a little cracked window for fresh air. And I hope this helps. Take care.